Welcome to Richland Community College Multi-Purpose Lab. My name is Brad Curry, Manufacturing Technology Instructor here at Richland. In this multi-purpose lab, students have the availability to set up and run 3D printers. We also offer robotics, so we have several different robotic stations where students can get a full immersive experience and hands-on training in how to use robots. In this corner of the lab, we get into our electronic drives and process control situations where we use our trainers so that students know and understand how to perform those particular functions in a manufacturing plant. And of course, we also offer HVAC at this school. So these are some of our heating and air conditioning trainers as well. So in this lab, students can come in, learn, and do all of the different things that they would need to do on the job, and we provide all of that technical knowledge and training here at Richland Community College. So come on in, check us out, feel free to ask us any questions. We'll be glad to show you all about the advantages of college here at Richland Community College.